Welcome again to Amaziology, where curiosity meets the reality. In the distant future, our galaxy will collide with another giant galaxy. Not maybe, not probably. It will happen. The Milky Way and Andromeda are on a slow motion collision course. But here is the shocking part. This cosmic crash will not look like a normal explosion. So, what really happens when two galaxies collide? Stay with me because the ending is far more beautiful and terrifying than you think. When people hear the word collision, they imagine destruction, car crashing, planets exploding, stars smashing into each other. But in space, a galaxy collision is different. A galaxy is mostly empty space. That means when two galaxies meet, their stars usually do not crash into one another. Instead, they pass through, pull, bend, and reshape each other. The result is one of the most incredible events in the universe. The Milky Way is our home galaxy, and Andromeda is our nearest large galactic neighbor. Both are enormous spirals filled with billions of stars, gas clouds, and dark matter. And right now, Andromeda is moving toward us, slowly, silently. At the center of the Milky Way is a supermassive black hole, and Andromeda has one too. As the galaxies merge, these black holes will slowly move toward each other. Eventually, they may combine into one even large black hole. This would release enormous energy into space and reshape the center of the new galaxy. It is one of the most powerful events possible in the universe. What will happen first? At first, nothing dramatic will happen. There will be no instant explosion, no sudden destruction. As the galaxies get closer, their shape will start to stretch and distort. Long arms of stars and gas will be pulled across space. The beautiful spiral structure of the Milky Way will begin to change. The night sky will slowly become brighter and more crowded with stars. Will stars crash into each other? This is the question everyone asks. The answer is probably not. Even though galaxies contain billions of stars, the distance between stars is enormous. So most stars will simply pass by each other. But that doesn't mean the event is harmless. Gravity will disturb star system. Gas clouds will collide. New stars will be born, and the galaxy will begin to transform in a way that feels almost alive. What happened to the sun and planets? That depends on gravity. During the merger, our solar system could be pulled into a different orbit. It may move farther out into the new galaxy, or it may take a completely new path. But one thing is important to remember. The collision will happen over such a long time, then it will not feel sudden to anyone watching it. This is not a fast disaster. It is a slow cosmic transformation. Imagine looking up at night during this cosmic merger. The sky would no longer look like the one we know today. Andromeda would grow larger and brighter. Its shape would stretch across the sky like a glowing river of lights. Eventually, the two galactic cores would come closer and closer. The sky would look more dramatic than anything humans have ever seen. For anyone alive on Earth, this would be the greatest light show in cosmic history. What will the new galaxy look like? After the merger is complete, the Milky Way and Andromeda may become a new giant galaxy. Scientists sometimes call it Milky. Instead of a spiral shape, the new galaxy may look more like a large elliptical galaxy. It will be a new cosmic home made from two ancient galaxies, a galaxy born from collision, a galaxy born from gravity, a galaxy born from time itself. So, when the Milky Way collides with Andromeda, it will not be the end of the universe, it will be the beginning of something new. Stars will shift, gas will compress, new stars will be born, black holes will merge, and the night sky will become part of a story that has been unfolding for billions of years. The universe is always changing, and this is one of the greatest future events. If you enjoyed this journey, like the video, subscribe to Amaziology, and join us for more amazing facts about space, galaxies, and the mysteries of the universe. Until next time, stay curious.